8th day of Christmas my true love gave to me. The counters and the stove. And the counters over here. So we're going to start with this counter here. And what I'm using today is Mr. Clean cleaner, lemon fresh, and I'm just going to spray it on to the counter if I could get the bottle figured out here. So we're just going to spray it down and spray this counter down. I have the Mr. Clean eraser out if I need to get on the walls or whatever. And I'm using Lysol wipes for the stove because that has been working the best for this kind of stove for some reason. And so yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we're going to wipe this down over here first. And I'm going to use just paper towels. Nothing, you know, nothing special, just paper towels. Get behind everything. I'm going to do this. You got hidden stuff behind everything. Spray some more stuff down. I've already wet the Mr. Clean eraser, so I'm going to wipe some of this off. And yeah, it does take off paint, by the way, just letting you know. It will do that. That was stuck on there. So that's all we're doing today, and I'll show you the Lysol wipes, how well it works on the stove. So I'll just take this off, and you see all the grease. It gets it wet and like dissipate it, and then you can come along with a dry paper towel and wipe it all off, and it's usually good from there. So that is the 8th day of Christmas. Keep on watching Attack It Cleaning, and hit that like and subscribe button, and go attack your cleaning. You only have a few days left until Christmas. I skipped a day filming, so we're going to be popping them up here. So, the videos. So, thanks for watching. And the reason why I say do counters now, like doing behind everything and do the most part of it, we're doing the main thing, and then later on, you'll know, like when you're cooking and all the stuff, you still have to go back and wipe stuff up. But this is the main cleaning of the counters. And also getting stuff, you know, wiped off. So later on, when everything is hitting the floor, when you go do your floors, it's already down on the ground. You don't have to worry about not throwing, you know, wiping stuff to the floor at this moment. So, and then maybe you can do simple dinners for the next how many days until Christmas. But yeah, that's why we're doing, like, taking things out and wiping behind it. You know you're going to have to do this in between now and Christmas. So, but this is just getting the main parts, like part of your wall, part of whatever you see that needs to be done.